what you see here is one of the two Banvil Envirofan bronze line. This one is the plain version of the on the blades. Model FP56R. R stands for reversible. These are also part of the 17 industrial fans that I got last month. This is the bronze line, I think, pretty much the best cosmetic and mechanical shape. I have the other one, which is like kind of the same thing. So I kept the 2 out of the 6 that were in the best shape, and this is one of the 2 here. So it's got like a CP48 or CP36 motor. This is thinner motor. There's a sticker. So the reason why we call these the bronze lines, because they're the same model name, same serial number or model of the bronze lines, like the one I made a video of a couple of months ago. This one is from 1998. The Banvil one I have is from 2008. So this could probably be what an earlier bronze line, or I don't know, because some older bronze lines were like looked like CMC, or like had a weird motor or something. I don't know, or just I don't know. These could be we just call them bronze lines. This thing was very fast on high. You'll see that in a bit. We're gonna go low. So I had 6 of these. Now I have 2 only, which I gave one to Brian Fan 17, one to Brandon Johnson, one to Donovan's Fan Studio, and one to Dexter Ceiling Fan Videos. Oh, never mind. I did not give I gave a silver line to Donovan. I gave the last bronze line to Mitch Anderson. This is as slow as it goes. It's not too loud on that variable speed, which is pretty interesting. Now, I've never seen a collector owning one, but I've seen many of these in places. Do a quarter of a turn. I'm using an old solid state control that came from my Banvil Gold line, 36" if you didn't watch my other videos. I also moved the canopy, the lower canopy, so you can see the logo. Motor has a bit of stains on the bottom. When the span goes really fast. There's another quarter to turn. Oh, it's already kind of fast. It's half speed. Excuse me. And we're not going to do spin down because it's going to take really forever. These fans got really good bearings. High speed. Spilling some papers. This thing absolutely flies. This is incredible. And there's not a whole lot of pitch, but still there's a lot of air. Swell balance too. Plays are like almost like perfectly straight. Yeah, probably because the pitches has been decreased. Probably why there's much more speed than pitch. Go ahead and turn it off. So that's it for that fan. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.